operations manager in this company, and that's why you see here I have this department, and I equally have this community which permits me to give reportings and also some communications with the top management already. So if you have never used this before and you want to use it for a personal use as well as for enterprise use, there is no problem. Yeah, why? Because you can actually create a new channel as well as you can create a new community by simply clicking on this plus sign you see here. For the new channel, you can click here, and once the channel has you get to the announcement, you see how it changes and everything becomes different, because right here you can actually put an image if you want. You can put a headline, which is very important as well. And then when you come here, for you to be precise, if it is an announcement you want to announce and you want to tag on people, then you can actually simply type their names here. You can type their names by first of all putting this sign. For example, I can just take everybody, meaning everyone in this channel is going to be notified once I post this information here, and it is very easy for you to use. So here is what we get on post, and on the same channel you can equally be able to see all the files that have been shared on this same profile, on this same channel. You can also see all the community, create a welcome message to those who are still coming in. You can do that. You say create new event, which we have already seen up there. Those whose contact you already have, can be email address and so on. You can either put email address, phone number, or their names. You can put them right in here, and then you add them in the community. Or you can as well get into an existing conversation with someone already, and you can go ahead to give messages to the person if that is the case. So yeah, as you can see, everything is going as it should be. It is as easy as using you want to do a video call and so on and so forth with your team. Watch this, and it's going to help them in their career growth. Thank you, and see you in the next video.